We also, I think you guys probably saw our last video, we were looking at doing an exhaust swap. Obviously it had I think a stock system with a Flowmaster muffler there at the end, and it sounded okay, don't get me wrong. The 40 series sounded good. I just wanted something a little bit more, I would say, exotic. So we were able to go down to Pasadena, this place called Aces, and get a nice exhaust system. Tell you guys, they went ahead and did a 3-inch custom dual exhaust, which is really nice, because I think the car obviously had room for it, and then there's plenty of videos out there with people doing custom exhaust. But what I liked about it is we went ahead and got the magnaflow. It really woke up the V6, as you guys know, V6 lives matter. It makes it really sound pretty good. And be sure to check it out. We're gonna kind of have the before and after at the end of this video, but I wanted you guys to check it out. In the process of getting an exhaust, unfortunately, one of the guys basically went up one of the ramps without putting the little extra 1x4s, and guess what? They broke the front bumper. You know, they were apologetic. They understood, you know, they messed up. But needless to say, the Mustang got a new exhaust and it got a damaged bumper. So long story short, as you guys know, it took us like 8 months to get the car painted during the pandemic, just due to staff shortage and so forth, business interruption. But this time I had to take it back. I was able to get it back in a month. Unfortunately, of course, the body shop guy was like, hey, you know, I really worked hard to try to realign that bumper, but the frame was broken. We had to replace some parts behind the bumper, over, I guess it was the frame around the radiator. And he was like, I got it back, but he's like, you know, I can't take too many of those kind of shots. So hopefully we don't have to worry about that anymore. It's something that, you know, we can kind of move on. Like I said, the owner was real nice. You know, he kind of was like, hey, take care of painting it, fixing it, and we'll get everything resolved. So long story short, it didn't end up costing too much, maybe a couple, $300 extra to kind of get everything resolved between the exhaust and the new paint job. It looks really good, so you guys will see it on the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and get a little more updates. We'll see you soon. Bye.